Are you a parent that is looking to start a side hustle to help pay off some bills? Or maybe you're looking to start a side hustle that can replace your full-time income so that you can spend more time with your friends and family. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 8 side hustles that you could start today that require little to no money down. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which one is right for you. Hello, my name is Austin Godbolt, and as an internet entrepreneur, I've successfully promoted everything from stand mixers to soundbars, security cameras, online courses, and even web hosting. If you want to learn real tips and tricks to make money online, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to austingodbolt.com/start for your free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. So as a parent, as a fellow parent, I know what you're going through. Time is limited and you want to maximize the amount of money that you can make so that you can share it with your family. And so what I've done is I've actually put together a list of my favorite side hustles that you can start. And so what we're going to do today is we're going to first look at 7 side hustles that you can start and how to make money with each of those side hustles. Part 2, I'm going to reveal my favorite side hustle, and then part 3, why I like it so much and how you can get started with it today. So let's go ahead. Note, all of these side hustles you can start in your spare time. They don't require a lot of time, energy up front. You just want to make sure that you are consistent with your content or with your side hustle so that you can make the most amount of money. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, side hustle number 1 that you can start is to start a Facebook group and monetize it. Now, I really like Facebook groups simply because they're almost like running paid ads on Facebook without having to spend any money. Now, let me explain what I mean by that, because that sounds kind of confusing, but because Facebook knows so much about their customer base, what will happen is once you start uploading to your Facebook group consistently, Facebook will eventually start recommending your group to people that might be interested. So let's say that you wanted to start a Facebook group about basket weaving. If we take a look at my screen here, I'm on Facebook. I'm just going to click on groups here, and then I could search basket weaving, and you're going to see that there are tons of different groups out here about basket weaving. So if we do basket weaving, might be a little targeted, but we could try basket weaving groups just like this. And you're going to see there are people that are interested in basket weaving. And believe it or not, there are millions of people that are interested in whatever it is that you're interested in. And so you can actually create these groups and you can monetize it. So if you look at this, a public group, 5.2 thousand members, 13,000 members. And again, this is a very targeted niche that I came up with. If you did something more general like parenting or Google Sheets, Google Slides, whatever that may be, there are many more opportunities. But you can see that there are tons of people that are interested in everything from basket weaving to whatever weird hobby that you might be interested in. And so what you're going to do is you're going to create a group, you're going to create content within that group, and then eventually Facebook is going to recommend your group to people that are also interested. And you can actually monetize this a few different ways. You can sell your knowledge with like a paid membership program. You can create a course and sell it either on Udemy or within a separate private Facebook group. You can do one-on-one coaching. You can do group coaching. There's a lot of opportunities within a Facebook group, and Facebook is going to be your vehicle. So what you'd want to do to start attracting people that are going to be interested is post content that is relevant to the group. So if we look at these public groups here, so I'm just going to click on public groups, and I just want to take a look at basket weaving in Benton. That group is probably a group to get people together to weave together. But if we look at basket weaving and crafts, they're creating content related to basket weaving. If we scroll down here, it looks like there is some spam in this group, unfortunately, but look at this one. Organized, who else uses this material? So if you post images and short video clips about basket weaving, you're going to attract people that are also interested. Again, this can work for any and every niche, but number 1 is simply with basket weaving. Number 2 is actually starting a YouTube channel. Yes, I'm sure you've heard this before. You can start a YouTube channel. What you can do is either you can start a YouTube channel and show your face or decide not to show your face. Now, the interesting thing with starting a YouTube channel is literally everything is a niche. Anything and everything that you do in a given day, you could create content and potentially make money. If you want to, you can include your family in your YouTube channel. You don't have to do that. You could create a cooking channel. Look at this one on the far right here. This person only creates content about his griddle. So if we look at this, if we open up Mr. Homeowner Cooking and DIY, he only has 9,000 subscribers, but some of his videos are getting thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of views. And there's a few different ways that you can monetize your YouTube channel. You can make money with the YouTube Partner Program. So once you have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, YouTube will start paying you. You can also make money by selling your knowledge. You can sell physical and digital products. You can do affiliate marketing. There are a number of ways that you can monetize your YouTube channel. And if you get big enough, you can also have brand deals and sponsorships. For example, this person is cooking with a Blackstone griddle. If your channel gets large enough, Blackstone could sponsor 1 or 2 of your videos. But you can see here, only 9,000 subscribers, so a relatively small channel, but he has over 545,000 views on just one video. So you can get started with a teeny tiny channel. Everyone starts off at 0. And the only thing that you have to do is upload consistently. Most people get discouraged and they leave YouTube and they quit YouTube before they really get started. You want to make sure that you are uploading consistently. Another one that you can do from home, which is actually probably one of my favorite ones, is to create WordPress websites. Now, as you can see on the screen here, there are over 455 million WordPress websites. In addition, there are almost 1 million new websites created every single year, and most people don't know what they're doing. And so what you can do is you can list your services in a few different places, and you can build WordPress websites for small and medium-sized businesses. You can start building WordPress websites for local small and medium-sized businesses and then branch out. The cool thing is, and what I used to do, is I actually would go over to a website called ThemeForest, and I would download these WordPress themes that would make it really, really easy. So I could actually put together a WordPress website in about 3 hours. And just in case you don't know anything about WordPress, you could just type in how to build a WordPress website. Now, I'm sure you're asking yourself, why would someone pay you to do it when they could just do this themselves? When in reality, you are saving people time and saving people money. You're saving these small business owners time and money by building it for them. Now, most people don't have the time and patience to put together a WordPress website, especially small business owners whose specialty might be in baking cakes. And so what you're going to do is you're going to save them time. They're going to spend a little bit of money. You're going to save them time by putting it together for them. Now, you can make anywhere between $300 and $3,000 building these simple 5-page WordPress websites, depending on your niche, your market, where you live, and all of that good stuff. But building WordPress websites, and the reason why I like this is that you can do this any time of day. You can do this after the kids go to bed. You could do this while you're on lunch break. You could do this really sitting in the car as long as you have internet connection. But building WordPress websites is really, really cool and really, really profitable. The next one that I want to talk about is video content creator. Now, the reason why I said video content creator and not TikTok is because essentially you can do the same thing with TikTok, Instagram Reels, Pinterest Pins, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook and Instagram Reels. And what you're going to do is you're going to create short format videos where you are creating content about you and your brand. In this instance, you are the brand. You're going to talk about things that you are good at. You don't have to be great at them. You can be mediocre at whatever it is. If you spend all day as a data analyst, you can create content about a day in the life as a data analyst, and then eventually you can package that up and sell it. Maybe there's a special skill or technique that you learned. You're going to package that up and sell it. But in this instance, with short format videos, your brand is actually you. And so you're just going to share your successes, your failures, any tips, tricks, and tactics that you've learned in order to get where you are. Because remember, there's always someone behind you that wants to get where you are or where they think you might be. And so there will be people that are willing to follow you. Now, the interesting thing here is I only have 47,000 followers, a relatively small channel, but this channel actually works because I'm sharing my tips, tricks, and tactics to a highly targeted group of people. After that, we have virtual assistant. Now, the cool thing with being a virtual assistant is you are simply just going to complete tasks that are assigned to you. So there's a small business owner out there anywhere in the world that has a bunch of not menial, but maybe lower level tasks that he doesn't want to do, she doesn't want to do, or just doesn't have time to do, and they're going to assign it to you. Now, I use Fiverr. There are a ton of websites out there about being a virtual assistant or connecting with employers that are looking for virtual assistants, but it's relatively easy because they're going to assign tasks for you. And the cool thing is you can do this around the clock. In most instances, you could be a virtual assistant if it's data entry or web research at 2 in the morning when your kids are asleep but you're awake. But being a virtual assistant can be really profitable. Now you can see that people are charging anywhere between $10 and $40 depending on the services required. So some people will only charge $10 for simple data entry. However, if they need a WordPress assistant or calendar management, they're charging $40 for that. But you can make pretty good money. You can build up a really big client base really fast. And that's the other cool thing about being a virtual assistant is you can be a VA for multiple companies and make even more money. After being a virtual assistant, I really like selling digital products and maybe even physical products too on Etsy, but I really like digital products, and there's a number of ways to do it. The reason I love digital products is you can create the product once and then you can sell it again and again and again. Now, if we come up here, we can just type in printable like this, and you can see there are tons of things that people are looking for when it comes to printable. Mother's Day is coming up, so if we did printable Mother's Day card, people are buying and selling these printable Mother's Day cards, and it's really passive income once you make it once. Now, if you have no idea how to create these different printables, you can hire someone over on Fiverr to do this for you, and then you resell it here and make the money. Now, eventually, if you start making enough money, you can sell these directly to consumer with Facebook or YouTube or even Pinterest ads. But if you're just getting started and you want something that's truly passive, you can hire someone over on Fiverr to create a printable thing, and then you can list it over on Etsy. But I really like Etsy for the digital products. The reason why you want to use something like Etsy is because they already have all of the traffic. You just need to create the item, the content for people to buy. And then once you have built a large enough following or you've made enough money, you can consider using Facebook ads and then targeting people directly. And then the seventh one that I want to share with you is actually being a tutor. Now, I've pulled up this website here called chegg.com, and you can make money being a tutor. Once again, sharing your knowledge. If you have skills in just about anything, you can share them and make money. As you can see, they're actually showing yoga here and basic things that you can teach people and make money. Now, the amount of money you make will vary depending on how much time and effort you put in, but this can be a side hustle that is profitable and can be fulfilling and rewarding because you are sharing your knowledge. Now that I've talked about those different side hustles, now I want to share with you my favorite side hustle. My favorite side hustle is simply affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is recommending or selling other people's products and services. And the reason why I like affiliate marketing is because you don't have to have your own product. You just simply create content that helps solve a problem and direct your customer to the actual solution. So for example, if someone wanted to lose 20 pounds, I can create content on YouTube giving them different tips and tricks to help them lose weight. And then I can say, hey, look, if you want my #1 recommended way to lose weight, you want the best solution to help you lose weight in half the time, you can click the first link in the description. So you can simply create content to get in front of a highly targeted audience and help them with a problem. And then at the end, or throughout the conversation, the video that you're creating, you can say, hey, look, go ahead and click the link in the description to learn about the solution. Again, and the cool thing with affiliate marketing is there are thousands of affiliate programs. The largest affiliate program is Amazon. And so most likely you've probably clicked on an affiliate link. If we go to like best camera for YouTube, and we just click on this first one, if we take a look at the links that are in the description of these videos, these are all affiliate links, and they most likely will go over to Amazon. And so if you were to click on these links and make a purchase, the content creator gets paid a commission. They don't have to worry about shipping and returns, and they don't have to worry about any of the other stuff. Now, how to get started with affiliate marketing is actually relatively easy. You find a product or service that you want to promote, and then you try and figure out the problems that the customer has. For example, I just recently bought a camera, and I bought that camera because I want to upgrade my YouTube videos. And so someone like me was searching best camera for YouTube, and maybe they're looking for best camera for YouTube under $300. As you can see, people are asking that question. And then eventually, once they start figuring out what they like and what they don't like, they might be looking for Canon M50 Mark II reviews. Or they might be looking up how to use it. Or they might be looking for a comparison between this Canon M50 Mark II versus some of their competitors. And you're simply going to create content helping them with the problem that they have. And then you're going to say, hey, look, if you want to learn more about this camera, go ahead and click the first link. and it'll actually refer them over to Amazon. And if you want to get started with Amazon, it's real easy. Just go over to Amazon.com like this, Amazon.com. Hopefully we can get up and running. And then you want to look for Become an Affiliate. So you can go to Amazon.com just like this. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website. And you can do this for any company out there, okay? And click on Become an Affiliate. Follow the process to sign up to become an affiliate. And just like that, you are an affiliate marketer. And if you don't see Become an Affiliate, you can type in the name of a company. For example, we'll do like Best Buy Affiliate Program like this. And it'll take you directly to the website and you can get started that way. So if we click on Best Buy Affiliate Program, we can see it walks us through the process of signing up. And then just like that, you can start creating content as an affiliate marketer and potentially make money. The other reason why I like this method as opposed to maybe doing a YouTube video or TikTok or something along those lines is you can potentially start earning commissions today. With the YouTube Partner Program, you need to have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, so that can take some time. Now that you know the 8 side hustles that you could start as a busy parent, click the first link in the description for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.